Welcome to toClick. In today's video, we will show you how to clean junk files in your PC quickly and safely. Now let's get started. Step 1. Press Windows and R keys together on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. This is where you can type commands to access system tools easily. Step 2. Type clean mgr in the box and press Enter. This opens the disk cleanup tool, which helps remove unnecessary files from your computer. Step 3. Select your main drive, usually C, because this is where most of your system and temporary files are stored, and it's important to target it for cleanup. Step 4. Check the items you want to delete, such as temporary files, recycle bin contents, thumbnails, and Windows Update cleanup. These files take up space and can slow down your PC. Step 5. Click OK and then delete files. This will permanently remove the selected junk files and free up space on your computer, making it run more efficiently. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to toClick for more helpful tips.